All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be nice and I'll review this McNees made in the US PM MAC 2 satin stone washed finish. Would you look at this fella? It comes with this pretty thick McNees performance machine Mac 2 steel CTS all the you know the drill. You can read, and this is the box, which is pretty cool. I appreciate when they do add a little bit of graphic on that. And here you have this little fella which is just sold, and it has one of the nicest action that I can think of. This is snappy. Let me check the full size of this guy. We got 7.5 centimeters for the blade, and we got 9 for the handle. Overall, it's gonna be 16.5. And I'm gonna show it with some big boys. Let me do also something like that, right? That is a couple Canadians, Rod Olson and Greg Lightfoot in the mix, because why not? A button lock. And this fella, I'm gonna show you some other unique pieces. This is Gustavo Cecchini. Stampede, and I'm gonna show you a wyvern from Walter Randolph. They are like, it's a nonsense. I know what I'm showing to you. I should be showing you this guy, right? Yes, okay, that's fine. And what about this fella? Sure, Sebenza, large 21, small 21, more in the same kind of category of price. Not really. This guy's gonna be cheaper because these are BHQ exclusive, but it's fine. I'm gonna also show you a couple of Shiro because I kind of like Shiro. And I got a neon and a quantum to throw in the mix and to show you how cool is and how EDCable is this PM 3-inch Mac 2 with some stone-washed finish for the blade. CTS XHP, it's a titanium frame lock, beautifully done, snappy. You get very simple construction, one pivot screw, a set of standoff which are holding together these two scales through these screws, screwing directly into the titanium on the lock side. You have a bent clip which works well, couple screws holding it together. I really do appreciate the finish that is in the lock bar cat. Very, very cool. There is a little bit of weight reduction on the inside with these holes, which are not going through, but they help reducing the weight, removing some materials. This guy is running on bearings. It's super snappy, guys. Really, really cool. You get a very good handling for a smaller fella like that. There's a 3.5-inch version that is also out, and you can check out as well. Really cool little details, like for example, matching sandblasted thumb stud with the standoffs, and the pivot screw is a nice touch. You have a quite thick stock for this guy, a 3.85 millimeter and 0.6 behind the edge. Nice jimping going on over here, beautiful swedge. I would say maybe 30% belly and straight edge to the sharpening choil. Lanyard hold option if you like that. The tip-up carry pocket clip is gonna live on the lock side. There is no stainless steel lock face insert, but I do not detect any lock stick. I just detect a lot of snappiness for this blade. Just gorgeous. Maybe look at that. Ooh, super. Really gorgeous actions, guys. I have to say, I love it. Let me check the weight, because it's not gonna be like a pain to carry this one in the pocket, because it's gonna be weighing in at 3.44 ounces, completely acceptable for a summer carry like this fella right over here. I think, you know, it's pretty safe to say that this is one of my favorite smaller knives, because it looks good in the hand, feels nice to be like such a small guy. It's crazy action. It feels just great. I really don't feel any hot spots whatsoever. And it sounds like a boss. Look at that. Tiny guy, snappy guy. Boom. Really like this one. So there you have it. I really hope you like this one too and you enjoy this video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.